Hello friends, welcome to tutorial 8. In this tutorial, I'll be showing how to render and create a walkthrough in Lumion. To begin with, we have the previous model in the Lumion. So we are gonna capture few shots, camera angle shots to create a render. So to create a render, you need to go to photo icon over here. You need to select, and I'll just delete this, and you need to capture the angle over here. So for example, I'll just select this angle, and you can go to custom style, wherein you can select multiple preloaded style, which is a realistic, or it can be interior. No, not interior, won't be feasible. You can select a daytime, and you can later change the angle of the sun shadow. You can create your, you can add effects like perspective. So if you see, I have turned on the perspective, and you can change the perspective ratio also. Similarly, I'll add another effects such as reflection, wherein you can select the glass pane by clicking on this icon, and you can add reflective planes. So it will it will add reflection to the window panes. Similarly, you can go for few styles such as lighting. In the lighting, you can select sun, so you can control the sun angle from this panel over here. In the sun, you can simply double click it and can change the angle orientation of the sun, and that's pretty much. And later, even you can explore the various skies. So morning, overcast, sunset, for example. Also sky. Okay, also you can add few of the effects such as fog. So if you want to have a fog density, you can change the density and give some effects depending upon where the context is located. So as of now, I'll just keep a bit of fog. You can make it a pastel sketch for your present like graphical presentation, in which there are like further animation scenes that you can explore always, like in the sketch form. So I'll be deleting this, and I'll be creating a shot over here. I'll be storing the snap this particular direction. You can always change the focal length, which will give you a details highlight of your architectural work. And later on, you can just simply click render. So it will ask you for the email call. This is a types of render. This means the extreme high quality. This means a relatively HD print. This is 720, and this is just a very compressed copy of the same. So I'll be going for print, and I need to save this render to my desktop. One, save. So it will start the render. So now it has completed the render. So you can always view the render by clicking on open folder, and over here, as you can see, your render is ready. To create an animation, you need to click on this movie clip over here. You need to go to double click the first window over here by selecting record, and later you can adjust the angle of this and simply click add keyframe 1, 2. I'll just simply delete this and recapture this once again, and by selecting another keyframe, and I'll be going over here once again. So as you can see, my walkthrough is ready. So this is how it looks like. So once you are satisfied with the walkthrough animation, you can simply click on render movie, and it will ask you for the various quality. It can go up to 4K, which is a new feature in Lumion 12. As well as you can go, you can have 1400, this resolution, and full HD, which is 1080, HD, which is 720, and a small. So as of now, I'll be just going for a small render, and you can save this file on the desktop. I'll select one, save, and it takes a long duration, slightly 2 minutes. So my rend walkthrough is ready, so I can just simply click on open folder, and I can view this clip. So since it's a low quality render, but still you get a amazing quality, slightly better quality than twin motion, I believe. You can explore the high like a 4K video also, but it would take much longer time to process. So that's all for today. I have covered up the basics of the render in this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you like this video. Thank you.